guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we are here because we're going to be unboxing my October Stitch Fix box. For those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is a personal styling service that is super convenient and super flexible. Basically, you pay $20 to have a box styled for you. You fill out a style profile to tell them your measurements and your likes and your dislikes. A stylist is paired with you, and they will send you 5 items in your box for you to try. Those items could be clothing, shoes, jewelry, purses, jackets, whatever you want. In your profile, you can tell them the things that you would like to have sent and what you don't want to have sent. The items get sent to you for free, and you try them on in the comfort of your own home. The good thing is if you keep one item from the box, that $20 styling fee does get applied to that item. However, if you like all 5 items, you get a 25% discount off the total cost of the box, and you still get to apply your $20 styling fee to the cost of the items in your box, which is really, really nice. So you can set it up as a subscription. I get mine done monthly. However, you don't have to do that. You can get it on demand as you want, whenever you want, and that's really convenient. We're gonna get into my box to see what I got for this month. When you open up the box, it does give you the directions on what to do next. You do have 3 days to try the items on. However, you can extend that and just go into the app and you click that date and it will extend it, and you can click that multiple times to extend it for for a few weeks if you need to, which is really nice. I've had to do that a few times. Inside, you get this prepaid mailer, which is for you to return any items that you don't like or any exchanges that you need to make. So it's already paid, so shipping is free both ways, which is really convenient. You get this envelope right here, and inside you get your price invoice sheet, and I'll just set that to the side. This is fix number 14 for me. And then you get this little card right here that says, "Oh, hello," and it has a note from your stylist, and it also gives you like style suggestions for the pieces that are in your box. So I've had Kara as my stylist the whole entire time, and I still have her, so I'm gonna read her note. "Happy autumn fix, Jennifer. I was hoping your fix didn't come last week while I was on vacation. We made a last-minute decision to take one last trip to the beach since the cooler weather has already begun. Today is the first day it's been cool in North Carolina. It's in the 60s, but every other day this week it's been in the mid-90s, so it's been really hot, so I'm hoping it's gonna start cooling down. Once again, I am so pleased that you continue to love your fixes. It makes me so happy. How's your family doing? How has the start of the school year been for you?" It's been busy. "Well, fall has officially arrived. With the change of the seasons comes new colors, cooler temps, and pumpkin spice lattes. Never fear, a seasonal refresh is here as you mentioned in your request. I continued with fresh fall hues and a mix of work casual pieces. I wanted to switch it up a bit and send you this pair of bootcut jeans and a dark wash. Long inseams are hard to come by. We've been trying to find a pair of jeans for me for a while. I'm 5'10" tall, and I need like a 33 to 34 inch inseam, and those are difficult to find. I always have to throw in a floral top. Pair it with your new cardi. Enjoy, XX Kara." All right. So this is what my bundle looks like. Looks like some good colors. All right, the first item on the top is by Market and Spruce, and it's this Quintana Colorblock mesh detail pullover. And it looks like this. Looks like a navy blue on top and an orange and then a pink. It's got that mesh look in different parts of the sweater. I like color blocking, so we'll see how this looks on me. Next, I have, by Market and Spruce again, the Zayit mixed material zip back detail top, and it says it's in navy, and it looks like this. So it's got that floral print at the top. It's got a navy bottom. The top feels like polyester, but the back feels like a cotton. So in the back you have that zipper right there. So yeah. Next is a really soft pullover, it looks like, by Mix by 41 Hawthorne. The Tarlio brush cowl neck knit top in light gray, and that looks like this. I like cowl necks. This is really soft, It has a cuffed sleeve. It's got that heathered gray look in it. It's got a little like slit on the sides. So yeah, that looks like a nice casual piece to wear. Next, I have the Sophie Delila curved hem cardigan, and it says it's in burnt orange, but it almost looks brown. It looks like that. It's very light. It's got a cuffed sleeve. This has got that kind of curved hem in the front. It does not have any pockets. It's definitely a good color for fall, and it feels soft. And I always like cardigans. They're nice to have for the classroom. And the one thing I'm excited for, really excited for, are these jeans. And they are, says by Mavi, the Marlo Bootcut jean in indigo. Ooh, they are super stretchy. Just a really nice dark wash, no distressing, just has a boot cut. And I'm really hoping these are long enough because that is such a challenge for me. All right, so I think I'll use these jeans to try on with everything. And we'll go ahead and get started with the try on. Be right back. All right, guys, so I'm back with the first two pieces. We're gonna start with this top here. This is the Market and Spruce Quintana Colorblock mesh top, and as it says it's in pink, but it has like this navy and then the orange and then the pink at the bottom. I wasn't sure if I was gonna like this, but it seems to fit really good. The sleeves are nice and long. I have really long arms, so that fits really well, and it's got some very soft material, and then it's got the mesh. Comes down pretty good in the back. Yeah. I think that seems like a really cute little light sweater to wear this time of year when it starts to cool down a little bit more. It's still a little hot here, but it won't be long and I'll be able to wear it. Yeah, I think I like it more than I thought I was gonna like it. What do you guys think? I like the colors. All right, let's talk about these jeans. These are the Mavi Marlo Bootcut jean in indigo, and they fit really good. They're a nice dark wash, which I like dark jeans. They fit good on the bottom. The length is perfect because they come down to the bottom, which is really good. So yeah, I think these are definitely a winner. I don't know how much they stretch out though, because I am noticing like they fit really good here, but in the legs and stuff, I'm wondering if I shouldn't size down, because if they stretch out, they might be just a little bit too big. Does anybody know if these Mavi jeans stretch out really bad? Because they have a ton of stretch. They feel great. So you guys tell me what you think. But overall, I'm really liking these two pieces together. So, all right, I'm gonna leave the jeans on and I'm gonna try on the cardigan with that floral top. Be right back. All right, guys, so I am back with the second top, and this is the one that has like the, it's almost like a silky polyester feel, and it's got this floral print here, which is like a mix of burnt orange and brown and blues and whites. It's got a blue bottom. It does have a like cotton knit back, which is a little bit longer because it comes down right here. Let's see how it looks with the cardigan over top of it. But this top is the Market and Spruce Zayit zip back top. And it does have that zipper in the back, which is kind of cute. I don't know if you can see it right there. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about the little orange flap there. I don't know. And I kind of wish the front of it would come a little bit longer. I mean, it's not horrible, but I kind of like everything to be a little bit longer. But let's check it out with the cardigan. So the cardigan seems to have like the brownish color. It says it's burnt orange, but to me it's almost like a brownish. What do you guys think about these two together? I don't know how I feel about it. The cardigan is a nice length because it comes down. It does curve right here in the front. It's super soft. Oh, it does have it has a pick right here. Can you guys see that pick right there? right there. That's disappointing. I don't know how I feel about the cardigan either. I mean, it's soft. I really thought I would like these two, but now that I've got them on, they're kind of in question for me. So you guys give me your opinion and tell me in the comments. Be right back. All right, guys, so I'm back with this last top, and this is the Mix 541 Hawthorne Tarlio brush cowl neck pullover, and it's in this like heathered gray color here. I like a cowl neck. I don't mind the ties. Feels really soft. The only thing that does kind of bother me is I wish that the cuffed sleeve was a little bit tighter. Like, it just feels really loose, but feels really soft. Covers my bottom, which is a good thing. I like to cover everything I can. So yeah, this is just a nice kind of casual, comfortable piece. Believe it or not, I could wear this to school with a pair of dress pants and get by with that with no problem. So yeah, I think I like it. It's very comfortable. So I've got a few questions about my pieces, and I guess we'll come back together and do the recap here in just a moment. All right, guys, we are back to do the recap, and we're going to go through all the pieces. We're going to start with the first item is this Mix by 41 Hawthorne Tarlio brush cowl neck pullover, and that's this heathered gray pullover with the cowl neck, and it's really comfortable. I mean, I could see myself wearing this on the weekends. I could also wear it to school if I dress it up with some pants. So the cost of that is $38. That was the cheapest item in my box, so I think I'm going to be keeping that one because I think it's really comfortable. Next was the Sophie Rue Delila curved hem cardigan in burnt orange, and like I said, I guess it is a burnt orange. And I was really excited about this cardigan. I'm not even sure if I want to keep it. It is super soft, and it did have that pick in the cuff. I didn't see it until I tried it on. Right there it is. You see it right there? And so I'm not sure that I'm going to keep this. This was the second cheapest item in the box, and it was $44. So that one is in question. Next is this Colorblock mesh sweater by Market and Spruce. And this is the one that I was really questioning when I saw my sneak peek online. And to be honest, I was very pleasantly surprised. It is $58, and I really liked it. It was soft, and it seemed to fit really well. So yeah, I think I'm going to keep that one. Next is the Market and Spruce Zayit zip back top in navy. I don't really care for the silky. It's not like regular polyester. It's like really silky, and I'm not sure that I'm loving this floral print on the top. And another thing I really didn't care for was this like little string hanging off of the zipper. I don't know. It's soft and it is stretchy, but I just wasn't loving it. So you guys tell me what you thought. Right now I'm thinking it's probably going back. It was $54. So I don't think I'm going to be keeping that. And then last but not least, we have these Mavi jeans. And they, of course, are the most expensive item in the box. They are $88. They were super stretchy. They're super comfortable. I like the dark wash. I'm thinking I'm going to keep that. The Stylist Pick subtotal is $282, but the buy all discount is 25%, which means you take off $70.50. The order subtotal after the buy all discount would have been $211.50, and that's not too bad. I'm just curious to see how much the 3 pieces would be. All right, so I stepped out and did the calculations real quick, and if I just keep the 3, the jeans, the heathered gray pullover, and the Colorblock sweater, then it was $184. So I would save about a little less than $30 just by doing that. But give me your input in the comments. Don't forget, if you're interested in Stitch Fix, I'm gonna leave my referral link in the description box. And so if you click on that referral link, you're going to get $25, and I'm going to get $25 to put towards your first fix. And so basically that waives your styling fee, and then it gives you $25 to spend on anything in that first box. So until next time, bye guys.